Welcome to the In English Coffee office. Today is Friday, November 14, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi Alex, good morning. How are you today?
Hi David, I'm fine thanks. A bit tired from yesterday's meeting, and you?
I'm good. Ready for coffee. This machine makes the best coffee in the office. I can't start without it.
Yes, it does. I need it to start the day. Black coffee for me today.
Good choice. Hey, did you see the news this week? That thing about food stamps. It's all over the papers.
Yes, I read about it. President Trump asked the Supreme Court to get involved in the food stamp fight. It's a big issue right now.
Right. The program helps millions of low-income families buy food. But now with the government shutdown, funding might stop.
True. The Supreme Court said they can halt the payments for now. It's controversial because families need that help every day.
Exactly. In sales, we see how economy affects customers. If people have less money, they buy less. It hurts business.
Yes. Local shops and supermarkets rely on those benefits. People use cards to pay for groceries. Without it, sales drop.
I know. My team talks about this in meetings. We sell products to stores. Less customers mean less orders for us.
As a project manager, I think about the big picture. This could affect projects and social services. We plan budgets around stable programs.
Yeah. The court decision is key. They pondered if the halt is fair during shutdown. Trump says they can't afford it now.
It's tough. Low-income families worry about meals. Kids need food too. Society should support them.
Totally agree. It's not just politics. It touches real lives. Hope the court rules soon to keep things going.
Me too. We need stability. Now, changing topic, what about that BBC story? The leaders resigned this week.
Oh yes. 2 top BBC leaders quit after the edited footage scandal. It was about Trump's speech.
Right. They edited a documentary on January 6, 2025. They spliced parts of Trump's speech to make it seem different.
Crazy? People said it was misleading. They cut out words like peacefully and made it look like he called for violence.
Yes. The Director General Tim Davie and Head of News Deborah Turnus resigned. Criticism came from all sides.
In our office, we use video editing for sales pitches. But you can't change facts. Honesty is everything.
Absolutely. This shows problems with technology and media. Editing software is powerful, but trust is fragile.
True. Now everyone questions news videos. Is it real or edited? It's a big deal for journalism.
As project manager, I handle reports with data. We check everything twice. Media should do the same.
Smart. Trump even threatened to sue for $1 billion. That's huge. BBC called it an error.
It is controversial. Raises questions about bias in news. Technology makes fakes easy, but rules are needed.
Yeah. In business, fake info can ruin deals. We stick to facts in emails and calls.
Good practice. This story makes us think about digital trust. How do we know what's true online?
Exactly. Social media spreads edited clips fast. People share without checking. Scary.
Yes, we need better tools to spot edits. Like watermarks on videos. That could help.
Great idea. Now another wild news. That sex offender who faked his abduction. Did you hear?
I saw that. Anthony Lennon from Oklahoma. He staged a bloody crime scene in 2012 and disappeared.
Yes, he was a wanted sex offender. Faked his kidnapping to escape police. Hid for 13 years.
Shocking. They found him in New York living under a fake name at a college. Working as a teacher almost.
Made the scene look like a movie. Blood everywhere. Like a TV show plot, but real crime.
It is entertaining in a dark way, but scary. He abused kids before. Society feels betrayed.
In sales, trust is key. If a client fakes info, deal is off. This guy tricked everyone for years.
Right. As project manager, I plan security for teams. This shows how deception works in real life.
Controversial. How he got away so long. Police had him on most wanted list. 10 most wanted even.
Yes. Finally caught after 13 years. Justice took time, but it came. Victims get closure now.
Good. Makes you think about safety and society. Can't trust appearances. People hide secrets.
True, we discuss ethics in office training, no faking reports or timesheets. Honesty first.
Yeah. Remember that guy who faked sick days? Got caught quick.
Exactly. Small lies lead to big problems. This news warns us all.
Well, lots of news this week, from politics to tech to crime. Keeps life interesting.
It does. Helps us chat and practice English at work. Natural conversations like this.
True. I learn new words from you, like controversial use it more now.
Good, now I need more coffee. This break flies by.
Me too, but emails wait. Busy day ahead with client calls.
Yes, my project meeting starts soon. Updates on timelines.
Sounds fun. Not really, but okay. See you later, Alex. Have a good day.
You too, David. Take care, work hard but smart.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.